In this video, you'll learn how to turn off dark mode in Notion. First, go to the top left corner and click on your workspace name. A menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. In the Settings panel, look for Preferences and click on it. Here, you'll find the Appearance section where you can control how Notion looks on your device. Under Appearance, you'll see three options. Use System Settings, Light and Dark. If your device is in dark mode and you select System Settings, Notion will stay dark. To turn off dark mode completely, select Light. Once you switch to light mode, the entire interface will change instantly. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same menu and choose Dark or System again. This is a quick and easy way to manage your Notion theme and make the interface match your preference. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.